Hi students, here's just a quick video on how to play the easier piano part for Run Rudolph Run. Now this is different to the easy piano part because this one is just kind of single notes in the intro and then there's a slightly more simplified part in the chorus and verse sections. So in this video I'm going to explain each section one by one, explain how we play it, where our fingers need to be, and then at the end of the video I'm going to do a full playthrough of the full song at a slow pace and then at full speed. Now, first things first, the song comes in straight away, but on the actual gig we'll have a 4 count from the drums, so we'll get a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we come straight in. Now, the position that we need to have our hand in, alright, and it's just the right hand for this entire piece, alright, is here, okay? Thumb on F, 2 on G, 3 on A, 4 on B, and then 5 on C. And this is where your hand stays for the majority of the piece. So let's have a look at this intro part, okay? So we get that 1, 2, 3, 4 from the drums, and then we're playing C with finger number 5, okay? And we're just playing it once. Alright? And then we go down to F, and then we go back to C, and C again, and then 4 times. Alright, so those first 4 bars, you've got to kind of listen to where those hits are, but I'll play it for you and have a listen to where they sit, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 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 C. Alright, and you can hear that in the song. I'll play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 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 C. Okay, and that's the first 4 bars. Alright, it's just C and F, okay? I'm playing C with 5 and 1 on F, okay? And then, after that, we go into the second part of the intro, where we're just playing single notes like this, okay? So the first time we've got F, and we're playing that 8 times, and then we go up to C, and we play that 8 times. And then we go to G with finger number 2 and we play that 8 times, okay, because you don't have to move your hands again. G 8 times and then back to C 8 times. Alright, so the full intro will sound something like this, okay? Drums count in. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, C, and C, C, C to F. 8 times, to C 8 times, now to G, and then back to C. Okay, so that's the intro, pretty simple, alright? Keep your hand in that F position and just follow the notes. Now the next bit, you're probably looking at because it has this repeat these 3 lines and it says play 7 times, and that might seem a little daunting, but honestly don't worry, it's just the same thing, okay? On each repeat we have a different section. So the first time is the chorus, the second is the verse, the third is the chorus again, the 4th time is the guitar solo, and then the 5th time is the chorus, the 6th time is the verse, and then last time again is the chorus, okay? So let's have a look through this. And yeah, once we've learned this, we've pretty much learned the entire piece. So again, we're going to keep our hand in this C position. Now we'll talk about the rhythm in a minute. Let's just talk about what we're playing. So the first one, we have G and C. So we're going to play that, because we're in this F position, we're going to play that with finger number 2 and 5, okay? So that's G and C. And you're playing them together like that, 2 and 5. Okay? 2 and 5. Alright, and that covers the first 4 bars. Okay, now on that second line, we go to F and C. Alright, and this time, we don't have to move our fingers, look, because our thumb's already on F. So instead of playing G and C now, we play F and C, and we do the same thing. Alright? And then, after we do that once, we go back to the G and C. Now, this is where we've got the most movement, alright? Now we're moving to G and D. Now, looking at our fingers, what we have to do is just move it up one note. Okay, see what I did? We went from F and then up to here. And all we're doing there is playing G and D and doing that same thing. And then we go back to that G and C, which means we need to move our hands back to that F position so we can play G and C with 2 and 5 again. Alright, so the first chord, G and C, 2 and 5. Second chord, F and C, 1 and 5. Third chord, back to G and C with 2 and 5. And then we go up to G and D. Okay, and that's when we have to move our fingers up. Okay, move 1 and 5 up to G and D. And then back to G and C, move back down, okay? And you've got 2 on G and 5 on C again, okay? So, I'm going to talk a little bit about the rhythm now. So, the rhythm, if you can't quite read it, we want to hear it like this. We go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so I'll play that again. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1. So when we come in, we're coming in on the second beat. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba ba ba. Ba ba. Ba ba ba. Alright? So the G and C, the first time we play it, is we're doing it twice. Okay, so doing that G, ba, ba ba ba. And again, ooh, ba ba. Ba ba ba. Okay, and then we go to F and C. Alright? And we just do that rhythm pattern once then, okay? Because the G and C we do it twice. And again. Now F and C, we just play that same rhythm but only once. And then we're back to G and C. Alright? Then we move to that G and D, which means move our hand up, and we do that pattern, that rhythm pattern once again. And then we go back to G and C. Alright? So we'll go through that again, super slow. Alright? From the start. From the G and C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And again, to F and C, to G and C, now to G and D, back to G and C, and that's it. Okay, and then that's the whole bit that repeats 7 times. Now it'll take a little bit of practice, but once you get the rhythm and you know where your hands are moving, it's dead easy, okay? Now on the track, it has a big fade out, and obviously we can't really do that when we're playing live. So what we've got here, after doing that 7 times, we've got an ending, which you won't hear in the music. But in the 2 playthroughs I do at the end, I'll put them in so you can hear what they sound like. So all the ending we're doing, alright, is after we've done that, back to that G. So that's the end of the chorus, the last time we play through it. And then we're going to go to G and D, 2, 3, 4, and then to F and C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the ending part. We're going G and D, and then F and C. Alright, and then we're moving on to doing this little walk up. Really cheesy, I know, but it's a nice little way to finish off. Okay, so what we're doing there is we're going C, D, F, and then G flat, thumb underneath, and then to G, and then B flat, C, B, C. So again. So a little bit about the finger groups there. We're going 1, finger 2 on E, 3 on F, 4 on G flat, thumb underneath to G, B flat, B, and then C. And then we play G and C together. So that whole ending really slow, alright? Just remember we're going G and D, F and C into that walk up. Alright, so listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. G and D, 2, 3, 4. F and C, 2, 3, and. And again, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And that is Run Rudolph Run for the easier piano part. So now we're going to move on, and we're going to play this with the track at a slow pace, and then we're going to play at full speed. I hope this helps, guys. Okay, then here we go. This is Run Rudolph Run for the easier piano part, all the way through at a nice slow pace. Okay, so remember, we want to keep our fingers in that F position, ready to go. We're starting on that C to begin with, okay? So we're going to get four taps from the drums to start with, and then we're straight in, okay? So get ready in that F position. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. F. C. 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 F. C. To G. To C. Okay, here we go. First chorus. Again, and stay on that G and C. So F and C. To G and C. G and D, move up. G and C. Into chorus, and again. Stay on that G and C. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. And again, guitar solo. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. And again. And again. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. Okay, 2 more times. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. Okay, last time. And again. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. Okay, and D, here we go. G and C. F and C. Walk up. And there we go. That's Run Rudolph Run. A nice slow pace all the way through. Now on to the full speed version. Okay then, here we go. This is Run Rudolph Run for the easier piano part, all the way through at full speed. Okay, so let's get ready in that F position, starting on that C. Okay, we're going to get 4 counts from the drums and then we're straight in, so get ready to go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, C, F, C, 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 F, C, G, to C. Okay, into the chorus, G and C. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. And repeat. Stay on it. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. Again. Stay on it. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. Guitar solo. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. And again. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. 2 more times. Stay on it. F and C. G and D. G and D. G and C. Last time. And again. F and C. G and C. G and D. G and C. Ending. G and C. F and C. And there we go, that's Run Rudolph Run all the way through at full speed. Hope this helps everyone. Enjoy and good luck.